I'm Alexia, and this is Afrikan. Yes, a learning channel where you can learn your Afrikaans. We are doing our Afrikaans phonics, our sounds. Today's sound is the brrr sound. Lots to do, lots of fun. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, here we have the brrr klank. Brrr. If you can't go brrr, then go brrr. Brrr. I've put the English words with them today. It's just to help you out as we start and we figure out what we're doing. The first one is broek, pants, trousers. Broek, broek. Then we have bril or brille, sunglasses, spectacles, glasses. Okay, your bril. Next, our friend is walking over the bridge, die brug. Brug. Then we have, we all know this is a skottel or a weber or a braai. So lucky for us, in Afrikaans, look there, braai. It's spelled the same in English. Braai, yay. Oh no, here the forest is on fire. It's burning. That brand, burning, yes. Then we have, the pencil broke. Did it gebreek? It broke it. To break is to break. There we have our envelope, our letter, ons brief. If you get a letter home, there's the word letter. Dan kry jy 'n brief. Huis toe, 'n blue. This one is blue, 'n blou een. And then last is our color crayon is brown. There's the word brown, bruin. Okay, so now you kind of know where you are, what's going on. Okay, first word, broek. Like a grys broek, like school pants. Let's sound it out. Broek. Broek. Make sure you say the k at the end. One more time. Broek. Nice. Well done, everybody. Next we have bril. Yes, put on your brille. Put on your specs, your glasses. Let's sound it out. Brrrr. Bril. Good job. Here she is on the bridge. She's op die brug. She make it lippies out. Brug. Nice. Ek stap op die brug. I walk on the bridge. Next, braai. Braai. Nice smile at the end. Ai. Good. Rooi, you know that one. Next, brand. 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 Yes, you are right. You saw a D, but you heard a T sound. In Afrikaans, usually the D is a T sound. Okay, so one more time. Brand. Brand. Good. To burn. Next is broken. It's breaking. That breek. Breek. So make sure you've got that E with a big smile and you end with a k at the end. Oh, sorry, I forgot the arrow. Next, brief. Brief. One of the few times the F is it's from Afrikaans. The letter. Die brief. Good. Last but not least, the crayon is brown. Hy is bruin. So the O, make nice oo sound with the lippies, like you're going to give granny a kiss. Oei. Bruin. Brain. Did you do all of them? Did you? Let's say them all one more time. Brain. Brief. Breek. Brand. Braai. Brug. Bril. Broek. Yeah! Did you get it all? Did you hear it all? Well done, everybody! That's all for today, everybody. Please like, subscribe, bing, bing, bing. Go to my channel. You know what the YouTube looks like. So you know what the YouTube channel looks like. It'll be over here. And if you like the resources and the posters I use, go to a lady on Facebook in a flash. And you'll find everything you need. I'll see you again. Bye.